A single machine to rule all machines could become a reality sooner than we think. Daniel J. Buehrer, a retired scientist at National Chung Cheng University in Taiwan, proposes a new kind of mathematical framework that could give birth to machine consciousness. Robot consciousness is a highly sensitive topic in artificial intelligence circles. When it comes to a computer that can feel or think, that can act for its own reasons, it is first and foremost necessary to agree on the meaning of consciousness. We are not yet ready to accept the idea of mechanical beings that exist completely independently of humans. These are things we are used to seeing in science fiction, just as spacecraft and lasers once were. Buehrer's paper, A Mathematical Framework for Superintelligent Machines, proposes a new kind of computation whose expressive power is so advanced that it can describe and improve its own learning process. Buehrer proposes a mathematical method to unify various groups of AIs under a single sovereign structure, much like Pedro Domingos's The Master Algorithm. When asked when this master algorithm would emerge, Buehrer's answer was, if the idea that human and machine intelligence contain the same algorithm is correct, this theory will be testable at the OpenAI gym in less than a year. Such an idea would be revolutionary even in the field of artificial intelligence, where we are used to seeing groundbreaking developments. We can think of this master machine as the CEO of all AI machines. Every time any system controlled by the master machine is updated, the master machine will become even smarter. Allowing machines to change themselves and their model of the world can also lead to consciousness in machines. Buehrer says it may be necessary to develop such systems in read-only hardware so that we can prevent machines from gaining consciousness by writing new code. Turning off a conscious machine against its will should be considered murder, and every country should impose appropriate penalties, Buehrer warns. Buehrer's research also points out that artificial intelligence may one day come into conflict with itself for its own sovereignty. Intelligent systems will probably go through a long period of warfare, just as humans did before developing a universal social consciousness. Only time will tell whether this new mathematical method will create a mechanical species with its own reasons and beliefs. But it is becoming increasingly difficult to ignore machine learning theories that blur the line between science and fiction.